Hi guys, welcome you back to Exploring MS. Let's discuss about how early diagnosis of MS will work for us, right? So I believe that early diagnosis is extremely important, not because your MS will get cured, that won't. Once you have MS, it will stick with you till you die. That's at least till now, that's what the doctors and the science says, right? That the MS is not a curable disease. Okay, however, early diagnosis might help on the progression of the disease. So mostly when one gets diagnosed with MS, it is always the RRMS, right? The relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. And if we are diagnosed early, at the early stage, and we start the medication, then it might just help the disease being monitored and kept it under control. Because I have been suffering from MS for over 9 years now, and my disease now is under control. Okay, so there's nothing to, I guess, worry about it, because if your disease is diagnosed early, it can be controlled. Now if you ask me, when my MS attack, the first attack I had, it was mainly my speech problem. And then I went, of course, first I went to the general physician, he couldn't help. Then I went to the neurologist, and then the MRI happened, and then we got to know that I have MS. Now there was, like, years back, I think in 2000, maybe 6, I guess. In 2006, I had problem with my leg. I mean, I had pain in my foot, okay, the left foot, and I was not able to walk for more than a month, I guess. And at that point in time, it was diagnosed as rheumatoid arthritis, and I thought it is RA. And then I took some homeopathic treatment and all, and then it got cured. Now, I mean, if you ask me right now, after being diagnosed with MS, I still have a doubt, and I still question, was that attack that I got, like, in 2006, could that be an MS attack? Now, I don't know as of now, right? It could be, it could be not, because as I have heard, rheumatoid arthritis is again another disease which cannot be cured. But after that 1 month of whatever the medicine I took, I never have that problem again. So as if, like, I don't have RA anymore. So is that even possible? That's the question that I have in my mind at times. And then it makes me think, what if my MS had started in 2006 and I was not aware of it? Because I did not go to the neurologist then, right? I went to orthopedic doctor, and he did all those kind of tests, and he confirmed that it is rheumatoid arthritis. But after that, I never had that episode again. So again, I don't know, so I feel maybe getting diagnosed early is extremely important. So we have to be very vigilant. Okay, now that we know that there is a disease by the name of multiple sclerosis which exists, and we know the symptoms, I have covered about all these in my previous videos. You can go ahead and have a look at that too. So there are a lot of symptoms, right? So I think we have to be a little vigilant about it, because the early the diagnosis takes place, early the treatment starts, and it would definitely be better for us. That's what I would suggest each and everyone, for people, not just people who are suffering from MS, but for people who are not. Okay, I mean, nobody is immune, right? So it is always good to have basic understanding of the possibilities, so you could keep a eye on what is happening in your body, and just be alert. That's what I would suggest.